If you're looking for the best window cleaner for effortless, flawless results, this video is for you. Today, we're reviewing the 3 best models available on Amazon. You'll find all the links and up-to-date prices in the description. Let's get started. In 3rd place is the Kärcher West Virginia 2. This model is a benchmark for those looking for an efficient and easy-to-use window cleaner. It operates cordlessly, with a battery life of 35 minutes. The equivalent of cleaning about 35 windows in one go. Not bad, right? Design-wise, it's lightweight and compact, making it easy to handle. It comes with an interchangeable suction nozzle, a large squeegee for wide surfaces like windows and a smaller one for narrow spaces or windows with louvers. It sucks up dirty water immediately after the wiper passes over, preventing drips and streaks. Its 100 milliliters tank is removable and easy to empty after use. Its effectiveness, it cleans quickly and without leaving streaks. Its decent battery life, 35 minutes. Sufficient for standard cleaning. Its ease of use, lightweight, handy, and ergonomic. Accessories include a large squeegee, a small squeegee, a sprayer with a microfiber cloth, and a bottle of concentrated cleaner. The battery charges a little slowly. Its 100 milliliters tank, which may require several emptyings for a major cleaning. Users are generally satisfied. Many highlight its efficiency and speed of operation. They particularly appreciate the fact that it doesn't leave streaks. Pros: no streaks. Ergonomic, very lightweight. Cons: refills a little slow. Small reservoir. In 2nd place, we move up market with the Kärcher West Virginia 5. If you want a cleaner with more performance and longer battery life, this one is an excellent choice. First of all, its main difference from the West Virginia 2 is its removable battery. Simply put, if you buy a spare battery, you can swap it out while cleaning and continue without waiting for a recharge. The advertised battery life is 35 minutes, but with an additional battery, you can double that time. Another strong point is its ergonomic design with a more comfortable handle. It also has 2 interchangeable squeegees to adapt to different window sizes. Its 100 milliliters tank is sufficient for typical household use and is easily removed for emptying. The removable battery allows for a spare battery. Ergonomic handle for greater user comfort. 2 squeegees included, 1 large and 1 small. Efficient and fast cleaning, without streaks. It's a little more expensive than the West Virginia 2. Relatively long battery recharge time. Reviews are very positive. Many users find the removable battery a real plus. Some mention that the ergonomic handle makes it more comfortable to use than other models. Pros: removable battery, more comfortable handle, efficient and fast. Cons: a little noisy, a little more expensive. And finally, the big winner of this top, the Kärcher WV6 Plus. This is a top-of-the-line product with record-breaking battery life and optimized features. The first big advantage: its battery lasts up to 100 minutes, or about 300 square meters of surface area cleaned in one go. That's huge. No need to stop mid-cleaning to recharge the device. Plus, the LED display tells you the remaining battery life down to the minute, avoiding unpleasant surprises. Then, the suction technology has been improved. The squeegee is more flexible, allowing it to better adapt to surfaces, including window edges. The West Virginia 6 Plus is also quieter than other models, which is a real plus. Exceptional 100-minute battery life. LED display of remaining battery life. Improved squeegee technology for streak-free cleaning. Quieter than other models. Its price is higher. Some users report occasional tank leaks. This model is praised for its battery life and performance. Many users say it has changed their lives, especially those with large glass surfaces to clean. However, a small percentage of buyers report a problem with the dirty water tank leaking, although this seems rare. Pros: improved suction, more flexible squeegee, longer battery life. Cons: higher price. To summarize, here is our ranking of the best Kärcher window cleaners. In third place, the West Virginia 2, an efficient, compact, and affordable model. In second place, the West Virginia 5, which offers better ergonomics and a removable battery. And in first place, the WV6 Plus, which stands out for its exceptional battery life and streak-free performance. Tell us in the comments which one you choose. All links and updated prices are in the description. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any future comparisons. See you soon for a new video.